Hi Dress Up Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a winter holiday cake. So let's get started. To draw this cute cake, let's first start by drawing a straight line across for the top of our cake. So end about right here. And then from there, let's round off the corners and come down and do the same thing on the other side. Now that you have that, let's just bring it down with a soft line. And then curve in and draw the drizzle with these wide curves. And it's all up to you how much detail you want to put on this part. You can make it smaller or bigger. From there, let's go ahead and draw a line down for the sides of our cake. So we're going to do that on both sides. And let's bring this down. I'm not going to make it too tall. Just enough room for the Draw So Cute eyes. So about right there. And let's go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. You just want to make sure you're about the same height on both sides. From there, let's go ahead and connect it with another straight line. From there, let's go ahead and draw the base. So I'm going to come out and then round it off on both sides. And then connect again with a straight line. Just trying to simplify this cake so it's nice and easy to draw. So now that we have this, we have our basic cake in, let's go ahead and decorate it to make it a winter holiday one. So let's start on this side and we're going to start on our first Christmas tree. So start by right up here and we're just going to go down and have fun with this. And there's no wrong or right way to draw your Christmas tree. This is just meant to inspire you and hopefully you can have fun with it. And I'll try my best here to just match the other side. And one more curve. There. And now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw our snowman. So about right here, I'm going to start with the head with a big circle. And then, now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw the body with another even bigger circle. And touch the top of the cake. There. So now that you have your two circles in, let's bring our snowman to life. So I'm just going to come right here with a circle for eyes. And fill it in. Same thing here. Or not maybe. And then a little carrot nose. And then a big smile with a bunch of dots. And a curve on top of each eye. And then right here, let's draw two circles for the buttons. And if you like, you can add some hands on both sides. So now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw the other Christmas tree to fill in this space. So it's going to be a little bit smaller. And I'll start about right here. And just fill in the space. So now that we have that, and let's go ahead and draw some circles for some snowballs just to fill in the space. Two, maybe a smaller one and then a bigger one about right here. And then let's decorate our Christmas tree. So I'm just gonna put some simple circles here and there. But it's all up to you, just meant to inspire you once again. And maybe we could even put some candy canes perhaps. Just some ideas. Maybe another one going the other way. And more circles. And one more candy cane. There. So something like that, and now that we have it, let's go ahead and bring this cake to life. So I'm going to start about right here with a really big circle for my Draw So Cute eyes. And then go across about this, about right there, and then let's go ahead and draw another circle. So now that my two circles in, let's draw two small circles inside for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. So finally, let's go ahead and put a curve over each eye. And in between the eyes, let's go ahead and draw a sweet smile. Cap it off. And that is pretty much it. And if you want to spruce it up even more, I thought it'd be really cute to maybe right here, put in some holly berries. So one's curve and another curve. And the leaves, just to spruce it up if you like. And I'm going to have to erase this part, but this is just a much easier way to draw it if that's something you want to add. Okay, let me get my whiteout pen and just erase this really quickly so you can see a little bit better. There. And see if we're missing anything. I need to put a heart, so let's see here. Where can we put it? Maybe I should just, okay, I'm just gonna put it on top of this tree. Hopefully that makes sense. And then let's put a star, since we're at it, on top of this tree. There. That is pretty much it for this cute winter holiday cake. I really hope you love this cake and that it brought a smile to your day and that I helped you draw it fun and easy. If I helped you, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.